Hello friends. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to buy your favorite movie characters in the form of digital NFT collectibles, place them in augmented reality and share this with your friends on social media. So let's begin with the introduction of the app. So the app that you need to download these digital characters is Veve Collectibles. It's a free app on the App Store. You can go ahead and download this app. So before we proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I'm personally using this app and I thought I should share this with you all. So let's open the app and let's see what we have inside it. So as you can see, this app has these different sections where you can go and browse for the different characters. And if you ask me, they have collaboration with some reputable brands like Cartoon Network, DC, and many more are still in the pipeline. Now creating an account with this app is very easy. You simply have to sign up with your email ID. Now that part I'm skipping. Now let me tell you something about NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. It means once you buy these characters, they are yours. You have unique identity attached to these characters. You can keep them with you. You can sell them if you want to in future. You can use it for your own collection. I will explain about NFT in some other videos, but as of now, understand that this is a very big thing coming in the tech world. Now coming to this app, they have segregated this collection based on different licensing. What I mean to say is they have different licenses like common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare and secret. So depending on the type of rarity, the price of the item varies. There's one more thing that you need to understand, that the supply of these items is limited. What I mean to say is, if I tap on this and if I scroll down, as you can see, there are only 9,000 editions of this are available and they won't make more than this. So this number is very less compared to the people that are going to buy this. Now buying this NFT collectible is very easy. Let's try to buy this Batman black and white edition. So what you want to do is select the character that you want to buy, then scroll down and tap on this buy now button. It will tell you the price of this item. It is in terms of gems. This is the currency they use inside this app. One gem is equal to 1 USD. So you simply have to have 59 USD in your account to buy this stuff. So you simply have to tap on this get more gems button and it will ask you to add gems to your wallet. So let's go ahead and hit buy now. Now it is asking me to confirm the purchase. So it is showing the amount in my local currency. I'm gonna go ahead, double click to pay. You're all set. Your purchase was successful. My gems balance is 60 gems. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. And now we can tap on this buy now button to purchase this item. Purchase is successful. So let's close this. And now this item is yours. If I scroll down, the owner name is now Vikas. So now I own this item and I can use it for different purposes. You can also tap on this profile option and tap on this collectibles option here and see your collectibles here. So here is my Batman collectible that I have just purchased. Also, you should know that new characters are launched on Thursdays. They will release it on Thursdays whenever they are ready with the characters, and you should be ready to buy it if you want to purchase it immediately, because it is sold out in a minute and there are so many people that are dying to buy this stuff. And you should add your gems to your account well in advance if you really want to buy it on the drop days. Now what do you do with this? You can do different stuff with this. You can place it in augmented reality. You can take pictures, maybe you can make TikTok videos, you can create your virtual showroom. In fact, you can interact with some of the characters like cars. Now, if you're not happy with this and if you want to sell it, you can do that in the market also. So if you want, you can go ahead and sell it in a market. You can sell it via auction or you can sell it on a buy now price. So you can keep this collectible for a few days or months, and if the price increases, then you can go ahead and sell it at higher prices. You can do that. Obviously, that is not the intent of this video. I want you to buy it and use it for your personal use, understand the technology, and then take a decision whether you really want to sell it and keep it in your digital collectible. And one more thing you need to understand, that even if you sell this in the secondary market, the gems that you're going to get, they are not yet convertible back to USD. As I've read it, the team is working on it, but it's still a promise. It's not a reality. So if your money is in it, there's no way out as of now. do your own research before putting in your money. So let me know guys if you're interested in this type of stuff. This was just an introductory video. I can go in more detail on this if you really want it. Comment down below and let me know how did you find this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.